Let's be frank about this. We're all doing MBA for placements. Most of us want big money at the end of it. And while we talk about big money, how about we talk that what is the placement scenario at IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta? Well, a few months back I visited these three campuses, these three lovely campuses, and I understood from the students, the placecom, that what exactly are the differences and the nuances between the placements at IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore and IIM Calcutta, so that if you're somebody who's going to make that choice, you make a much more informed choice. And even if you're somebody who's not aspiring for these places, then at least you'll get inspired to aspire for them. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I help MBAs create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. Let's go ahead in this vlog and understand the placements at IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta. And then the final thing on which I'll evaluate all of these three campuses, these three great campuses, the holy trinity of MBA in India, IIM's ABC. Right now, talking to you from IIM Calcutta. The thing about IIM Calcutta's placements, let me talk about placements. So first of all, what I'll say to you is that I will not even be comparing the placements. I'll not be sharing with you the exact statistics, because very frankly, the placements are comparable. They are similar. So there would be no sense for me to say that, hey, the average at IIM Calcutta is so much, the average salary at IIM Bangalore is so much, the average salary at IIM A is so much. It might make no sense because it's similar and they are the same, but they are different very much, and that is what I want to highlight. IIM Calcutta is the best you know, the best we know, the best I know for finance. The kind of placements which happen in finance at IIM Calcutta are unparalleled. I can say it with utmost surety. I've spoken to the placecomers at IIM A, have idea about IIM Bangalore, now have complete idea about IIM Calcutta. Finance placements are impeccable. Now, what do I mean by impeccable? When I say impeccable, that IIM Calcutta is great in finance placements, I simply am trying to say that all the kind of finance roles which you can imagine, be it private equity, venture capital, front-end IB roles, trading, algo trading, quant roles, research, FRM based roles, all roles come to IIM Calcutta. And not just one organizations, multiple organizations for each role come to IIMC. Thing with IIM A and B is that while they might say that yes, we have the same roles being offered, but not enough organizations for each role are there. So very few of each role, but at IIM Calcutta, finance placements are in abundance. So now I'm speaking to you from where the convocation happens at IIM Bangalore, and let's talk about the most important thing, after which you come to this place for your degree, which is the placements. Now, as I've already said to you, that the placements, I cannot go on to just compare them because they are similar. So I cannot say that, hey, iska itna, iska itna. But again, as I have said for IIM Calcutta, I'll say it for IIM Bangalore, that IIM Bangalore is more renowned for its consulting placement. So you'll find consulting organizations, boutique consulting organizations, which do not go to an IIM A or C, but they are here at IIMB. So you can safely say that yes, consulting is something which is really strong at IIM Bangalore. There are a lot of consulting placements which happen over here. Again, I need not speak about that. How much is the average salary, this and that. It's a known fact, and it's almost the same at ABC. But this is what my insight for you is, that IIM Bangalore is truly what they call consulting campus of India. Here is where your convocation will take place. And finally, I again need not say too much about the placements at IIMs A, B and C, but here is one very important thing which you should know about an IIM A versus IIM B. So while I had already shared with you that there would be a lot of guys who have a lot of work experience at IIM Bangalore, the thing is that IIM A, you will find a lot of freshers. So what I would say to you about the placements at IIM A is that the placements at IIM A and B are very much similar. However, the only thing which is farak in IIM B and IIM A is that at an IIM B you have more job offers for the ones who have 3 or more than 3 years of work experience, which simply means that an IIMB you will find a higher percentage of the laterals, whereas at an IIMA you will have more opportunities for the freshers. This is one thing which is what you need to keep in your head, that the opportunities at IIMB and A might be the same or the similar, but at IIMB you have more chance for yourself, as more number of students over there are with the work experience, and hence more opportunities in the placements in the laterals. Isn't that amazing to learn about what exactly is the placement scenario at the top three IIMs, the ABC? Well, I hope you got to know the nuances. So while up till now you thought that, hey, the placements at IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta would be very similar, same kind of salary packages and everything. But I hope you understood that there are nuances in that, and this is what I wanted to share in this vlog. Well, I hope you keep on watching a lot of vlogs here. I visited all of these campuses, the best campuses, so that I can create more vlogs from there. So just go ahead, watch a few more, and I'm sure that you will feel even more inspired by the end of it. Thanks a lot and goodbye.